and off we go.
Yeah, that's me. I'm Cristian Gregor, and that was Rascal, my parents' dog. What if one day some events in your life would push you to the ultimate decision? What if you face a great disappointment and you pure and simple want to start over? Fresh, new, from the bottom, to rise again from the ashes. What would you do? Would you decide to grab a few of your things and fly away over the oceans? To change everything you have ever known into something new? Would you have the guts? That's what I did.
Hey guys, I know you already noticed that we changed the name of the channel. It was Tennis Travel Vlog. It's not anymore because I'm not traveling with Alexandra. We split up and we have different paths. I wish her all the best and to reach the stars. In the meantime, I'm gonna be doing travel videos. I had the chance to travel through Michigan and Upper Peninsula. You're gonna see in the next minutes. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share if you think my videos are worth it. And enjoy those amazing, amazing, amazing places.
I spent 3 months in Michigan State, and I can say it's definitely worth it. The nature, the lakes, the forests, the springs and the beaches are amazing. And you know I'm a sucker for sunsets. Be with me. The Michigan clouds came floating into my life, no longer to carry rain or usher storms, but to add color to my sunset sky. I made true friends, and I had great time with them.
If it's just a little chilly, if it's raining, or if it's really cold, it's Michigan. It could be all three in one day.
I enjoyed every smile, every hug, and every song. I traveled. I flew the drone. And I had fun. I've stopped to every corner that made me smile. I looked deep into nature, and then I understood everything better. Just living is not enough. Wherever I go, no matter what the weather is, I will always bring my own sunshine. I will get lost into nature. I will love nature and stay close to nature. Because her secret is patience. And it heals every wound.
Don't you worry there, my honey. We might not have any money, but we've got our love to pay the bill. Maybe I think you're cute and funny. Maybe I wanna do what bunnies do with you, if you know what I mean. Oh, let's get rich and buy our parents' homes in the south of France. Let's get rich and give everybody nice sweaters and teach them how to dance. Let's get rich and build a house on a mountain, making everybody look like ants. From way up there, you and I, you and I.
Some people say I'm a dreamer, for a dreamer is one that catches the sunrise and melts into the sunset with a smile on his face. A dreamer is one who finds his way into the best corners of existence because he sees the most amazing options to walk through fire and rain, and believing that everything is possible. So yes, you may say I'm a dreamer. So hit that thumbs up if you love to dream and to make dreams come true. And follow me on Instagram. I post daily photos from the places I've been. So this was Michigan and Upper Peninsula. These were places and people that will always remain in my heart. But the story goes on. Places, cities, people and nature. A journey through existence. A cold dive into the beautiful unknown. A way to see through my eyes La Vie en Rose.
Hold me close and hold me fast. The magic spells you cast. This is La Vie en Rose. When you kiss me, heaven sighs, and though I close my eyes,